Alright, 21 Sienna. Is that what we're doing? I think that's what we're doing over here. Alright, we're going to put the flashers on. We're going to go by vehicle. Toyota. Sienna. 21 to 25. Proximity. Okay, we're going to do all keys lost. USA reset. All keys will be erased and can never be programmed back in. Okay, I gotta log in. You want to know how many bypass security? Sure. Is that 2021? I don't know what cable I have. I don't remember. No, that's the wrong cable. So, no. Okay. All right, I gotta enter all this information. It's easy to copy and paste the VIN, so that's what I did. I put all the information in, we hit submit. We got our code, which is top line, right here. I'm gonna press OK. Type that in, 4. F E 24 797. Hit next. Rejected. Okay. Let's try that again. Do all keys lost. USA reset. Okay. Yes. Continue, yes. Remains open. Okay. No. Okay, let's check this VIN again. Okay, let's type this in. 8C1513. 8C1513. 18F1. 7CBB. C0. 98. A1. A1. Next. Security door, okay. We gotta wait 15 minutes. All right, in the meantime, we're gonna take this door lock out. Not all the way, just enough to read the code. There's a key code right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's there, trust me. 83639. 83639. Got it. Okay, that's done. Should put this away. This key only goes in one way. Okay, that's working. Let's lock it down. Alright, we got, let's see, we got about 10 minutes left. Alright, success. 0 keys. Use add to add new keys. Press OK. Add prox key. I'm not sure it's on. Of course it's not on. You don't have a key. Just press OK. Okay. That's what we wanted. E0 A D 0A 478. Okay. Okay. Okay, just hold it there. You don't actually have to push it in. This key is in. Okay, this is the right key for this car. And if it's not, then we're going to do register ID smart box. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Success. Okay, back and go. Alright, let's turn the car off. Buttons. Oh. I hear them. Let's start the car. I think we're on. It's an EV, so I guess I can. Yep. Alright, we're done. Alright, it's all done.
Oh,
So that, my supplier always says, why do we tear the bags out? There's a perforated line. And it's funny because I do the same thing. So now I'm going to tell them that's just how we do it.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay.
See the logo and everything? So that's how you know it's OEM.
Wow.
Back in business.
Thank you.
Yep.